Hey you guys, I'm back from work and I'm super tired, but I'm not planning to sleep. I am planning to go to either a library or to the beach to study because I've been lagging and I need to lock in. So this video is gonna be that. I know, don't look at me right now because I look like what? I don't know. But let's get ready. Let's leave this freaking house. I don't mean to be so uptight, cause I'm tired of the fake love. Show me what you made. You guys?
Automatic voice message system.
Alexa, you guys, I'm gonna curl this part and I'll be right back with you guys, okay? You're sending me to everybody. Alexa, I love you. You're playing the best music.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Alexa, has anyone said I love you to you before?
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Alexa, I love you.
That's so nice of you to say.
Make nobody stress me, I'm on the wheel right now. Alright. When I get to the hood, my life.
Ha! Mess with blush? You guys have never seen this. Like, it's so tinted. I mean, pigment.
I'm trying to show you love. She really my favorite girl. My favorite girl.
But this is perfect. It's not that pigmented. And not like you can put a lot. Like, if you guys want that, like, very bright pinkish. Oh my god. Like, look at it. It's too pink. Pink. It's, that's it. Okay, now we get dressed. Okay, I'm done getting ready. Show you the full outfit. Because why not? And I'm almost there. Closer, closer every night. And I'm almost there. Like, why? Why? Easy fix. Gonna mix Kylie and Gucci. You know, rich man thing, big man thing, no, big man thing, bro. Yeah. I'm thinking of wearing this bug-me message jacket. It's gonna keep me warm, so yeah. It's been almost 30 minutes since I said anyways 30 minutes but I was studying, so it's a win-win, you know. God, this is what I love. Come on, things. Ichini masali tsaha enjoy maraga show you guys. Yeah. Sun Sadia Maria. Oh wow, we outside. So I have a plan to go to this place, Loon to go whatever me but he strawberry covered pistachio chocolate whatever thing I like, but I don't know if I have time today because it's like 20 minutes though from here. So either we go to the beach and enjoy the nature, or we go to Loon to go and destroy our health. I don't know. Thank you, baby, for opening the door for me. This is baby. በሱሪ ነው ዛሬ አትሰማችሁም? ፒያሳ ነሽ ቦሌ
That means you're extra.
ይሄን ይመስላል እንግዲህ። አሁን ቁጭ ብዬ አነባለሁ፣ ከሌቸር ጋር አወራለሁ። ማሚ ማለች ክትክት አንዴ አንዴ ምንድነው ይበሉሽ? የት ነው ይበሉሽ? ነሽማ ካስኮ ማን ነው ካስኮ? ካስኮ ነው አስኮ ምንም ይበላል እንዴ?
መብላት ሳይሆን አቤት መባልም ቀልብ ነው የሰው።
እማ በጣም አምሮብሻል።
ቴንክ ዩ
Okay guys, now a quick stop at the house because Amma ቤት መሄድ አለብኝ አለች እሷ ቶሎ ቤት ደርሳ ትመጣለች. So after that we're going to go to Loon to go. Guys, I'm starving. ገና መች ነው የበላሁት? ስራ ቦታ ሆኜ እግዚአብሔርን እና now we're going to grab some food from Chick-fil-A.
You my Chick-fil-A.
እና እስቲ ወጋና እስቲ I don't even know ምን እንደማዛ I have no clue. በልቼ ራሱ አላውቅም። አንድ ቀን ነው I think የበላሁት but I don't really know what to get. So we shall see. Okay, now we eat. I'm excited ምክንያቱም ልሞት ነው ጨጓራዬ ልተፋው ነው. This is what we're working on, you guys. Cheers. Oh, በደረቁ ምን ነው በስመ አብ ወልድ ቅዱስ ተባረክ የተቀደሰ አድርግልን አሜን።
ብር ነው በየቀደም በየቋታ ያወጣው አው ጨልኝ ትንሽ ያው
everything with ketchup is like top tier bro.
የቢታግራማ መጣች ቢ እጪ ይሉኛል እንዶች ናቸው የሚሰሩት እዛ
በካቻፕ hasta la vista bebé. And our mac and cheese now
ነው ኮኮው ነው ነገሩ ዳቦ
you know what it's missing? Freaking ketchup.
chicken sandwich
አልቆብሽ ነው ማርያም እግዚአብሔር ድረስ ምኑ ይበልሽ ምን ነው ስማ እና በምን ልፈታው ሁሉ ነገር በጥርስሽ you guys ደርሰናል ግን it was so complicated እንዴት እንዳገኘን ሁሉ አላውቅም እግዚአብሔርን ብቻ I think ይሄ ነው ቦታው መሰለኝ so we shall see የቦታው ስም የለምና I don't know. Good, what are we thinking? This is the Loon to go, right? Oh, perfect. I wanted the strawberry Knafi chocolate. Did you buy chocolate strawberries? Yes, please. Okay. 2. Let's do 2. That will be it. 30.86. Huh? 30? በየነ ቤት ነው 30 ብር ሰላሳ ብር ለሁለት ስትራቤሪ በየሱስ ደሞ አይብልስ ሸሚዞኝ ይያልቋት ይያልቋት ከስር እንትናት አረ በጣም የሌሉ ናቸው እስቲ ጉዳቸውን አይቼው አንድ ማይረባ ቾክሌት ተጣፍጥፎ አንለስ ከዱባይ ኒና 30 ብር እስቲ እንትና ሄት አታርጊ አይደለም ያስጠላል እኮ አንድ ይዞኝ ነው ምንድነው ሸሚዝ ሸት ታውቂያታለሽ ሸሚዝ ሸሚዞኝ ትላለች እንዴ ብርሽ ነው ኮና በሸምና ሸም የለም ሰማሻስ ምን ዳሽ ማሚ ከሌለሽ አታስተናግድሽ I'm sorry no mentሽ I'm sorry no ani no funny በካፕ ያመጡላት በካፕ ማን ነው የሚመጣው እግዚአብሔርና እግርሽ ነዶ I'm excited to try it ካልጣፈጠ ወይኔ ሌላ ነገር ደሞ ሌላ ነገር ላዘነውማ ያመሻል እንዴ? 30 ብር ነው 30 ብር 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 30 ብ
ለምን ጎንደር ብቻ ሪና?
Of course.
Thank you. Have a good one, okay?
Yeah, you have a glowing night.
Thank you.
መቀርቀር የሚያክል ስትሮበሪ ቀርቅሮ ሰጠኝ
ላይ ደግሞ
እና የ3 ብር ስትሮበሪ አርገው እዚህ ጋር የሆነ ምናምን አርገው 15 ብር ማይ ጋድ
So ይሄንን ነው የሚመስለው ምን I don't know እንግዲህ we shall see. Okay, let's see. Here goes nothing. Moment of truth. No. ይሄ እኮ ግን wait ከስትሮበሪው ጋር ነው አብሮ መቀመስ ያለበት.
እያልሽ እየበላሽ ሰው አታስበል እያስገቢ አንቺ ምሰሪው እቤት ይበልጣል።
ወይኔ አይጣፍጥም።
ግን ያው 15 ብር ስለወጣበት ትበያለሽ። ስትሮበሪ አጥወት ያው
መድኃኒት ነው የሚለው በማርያም እማ ላጉርስሽ። የተጠቀሙት ቾኮሌት አይጣፍጥም። ወይኔ ብሬ Finally we're home, so now it's time to sleep finally. And በጣም ደክሞኛልና አልታወቀኝም ስለወጣሁኝ ነው መሰለኝ. Anyways ይሄን ይመስል ነበር የዛሬው ቪዲዮ. I hope you guys are going to enjoy it because we had fun. ያስቃል እንጃጃል ነበር ምናምን. Anyways thank you so much for the love and support always, and till next time I love you guys so much. ያላችሁበት ሰላማችሁ ይብዛ.